Hi, my name is Amy and I'm with Perceptif AI. We're focused on unlocking business value and operational excellence for clients using process mining, machine learning, and AI. The following slides will share more details about our solution, and please visit our website, perceptif.ai, if you would like more information. Everything within a business runs on processes, but often we perceive these processes to be simple, standardized, and consistent across the organization, but in actual fact, the real processes are quite different. As you can observe from the right-hand side, processes sprawl across the organization and are often far more complex than we realize. There is a significant gap between the process perception and reality. There is a huge business impact from closing this gap between perception and reality. By improving efficiency and removing bottlenecks, organizations can increase margins. Industry research shows that a process-efficient or optimized organizations can have a gross margin over 50%, whilst a similar status quo organization has gross margins closer to 5%. Also, limited visibility of end-to-end processes has an impact on business agility and can reduce speed to market for new products and services. And rigid processes impact customer and employee experiences. Without addressing these process improvements, companies may lose customers or frustrate employees. In order to close this gap between perception and reality, we need to take a bottom-up, data-driven approach to getting a deeper understanding of the business processes and how they flow through the organization. The traditional way of doing this has been with a high-level approach by consultants to create a top-down view of the business processes, which could take 3 to 6 months of interviews and manual effort, only to produce a static process map or document that no one looks at after the project. At Perceptif, we reimagine everything in the enterprise as a stream of business events and then apply machine learning to synthesize the actual processes from the raw data. Once these processes are visualized and cataloged across the organization, then anyone can optimize, automate, or re-engineer these processes to achieve business outcomes. This is our home screen. A user can easily track their usage and get back to work they were doing previously. Also from here, a user can create a new stream from the button on the top right. Once clicked, there are options to import the data, including CSV or Excel files. Another option is to add a stream of data from the list of available connectors. There are a number of connector options, and these are ever increasing. For a full list of connectors, please visit our website. Once the data is imported, then we classify the event, timestamp, and case ID, then the system takes care of the rest. Adding a description and selecting team and projects helps to improve control and gives easy access to team members. Once the data is streamed in, the process graph is displayed on the left. Hopefully you can see that the end-to-end process steps, starting with create a purchase order item and a final step of clear the invoice. Piecing together this process map alone would have taken much time and effort. The Variant Explorer in the middle section highlights the alternative process path options. The variants are sorted from most common to least. Immediately, we can see that this process is not standardized because there are 183 variations of this single P2P process within the organization, which seems high. Optimizing these variants will improve efficiency and reduce costs. Similarly, the throughput time chart indicates that many of the processes take longer than expected. We can analyze and take action to reduce the cycle times as well. Now, if we expand the variants and cover 35% of all the cases, we immediately observe that the process map is getting more complex. This starts to show the process reality. Please view the next video tutorial in this series for more information.